part 2 of creating a survey with SurveyMonkey. In this portion, we're just going to demonstrate how to create the 5 questions and set them up so that each of your curriculum framing questions could be rated using the curriculum framing rubric. So the next step that we want to do is add a second page. So let's click on Add Page, and for this section, we're going to call this title Ranking of Curriculum Framing Questions. And for the short description, we're just going to tell it to rate each curriculum framing question according to the curriculum framing rubric. And we're going to hit Save the Page. And as you can see, there's page 2 that's been created. And now the second phase that we have to do now is add the questions. Once again, we're going to choose a multiple choice, one answer question. And for your text, we're simply just going to select sample curriculum framing questions. But let's go ahead and put the answer choices in first. And I've just selected a few, basically saying whether or not it's effective. And as you can see here, instruction says enter each choice on a separate line. So we used a scale saying very effective to ineffective to very effective. And also we're going to sort it so it can be randomized per participant. And for the question text, you're going to just select some of your curriculum framing questions, and also make sure you include one of your essential questions. So here I'm just going to take a sample question and type it in. I also want to tell everybody what type of question it is. So this is a content question, so they know what type of question it is. Then I'm going to hit Save Changes. And as you can see, if I scroll down, here's my question. Now we're going to copy the question again, and we want to paste the question after the first one. And we're going to edit the question one more time, and this time I'm going to choose an essential question. And paste it in. And remember, you have to have five questions that have rankings also for the assignment. So the next step you want to do is just hit Save Changes. And after you made the changes, you can either hit Preview so that you can take a look at the survey. We'll just take a short look at it. Exit the preview. But the next step is you want to hit Collect Responses. And you want to select the option that says create a link to send, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this link and send it to me. Everybody opted out of having other people review their questions, so make sure you select the option to create a link, and you're just going to copy the link and send that link in an email address to me. Email to me with your SurveyMonkey so I can take a look at your survey. So right quickly, I'm just going to talk about the things that I'm looking for as far as the grading rubric for the survey. You get 5 points for creating it with SurveyMonkey. If it includes 5 questions that require participants to identify the type of curriculum framing questions, that's 15 points. Get another 15 points for including 5 questions that rate each curriculum framing question according to the CFQ rubric. Name is included in the title of the survey, and URL is posted to the class information document. So you can also post the same survey link here in the URL for the class information document. And that is the end of the tutorial.